What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel Code Vlog. So today we are going to learn about how to make this kind of a splash screen. So at first of all we have to create you have to create a basic Android project. Then just go to this drawable folder and right click on it and go to this drawable resource file. Then you just need to name that as in whatever the name you want to do, give that. So I want to give it splash background, and root element, the root element would be layer list. So you just need to remove that selector and click on this layer list and hit OK. After that you need to add one item, and it would be our drawable, which is going to be our background. So in our background would be Android color white. Then you need to add another item, and it would be our drawable, which is going to be our logo, Instagram in our case. Then we just need to give the height, width, and whatever the height width you need in this screen. So I'm going to give it as 80 dp width, and height is going to be 80 dp. Okay, then it's done with the background. Then we just need to go to this style and copy all the default style method and paste it. Just remove all the attribute default it have. Then make it as splash, rename that it to splash app theme or whatever the name you wanted to give it. Then just remove this app compact light, then it will be no action bar, because if you give that as a dark action bar, it will be appear the here as an action bar, so we don't need that. Then after we just have to put the window background property, window background, Android window background, and in here you have to give that drawable path splash background, whatever we have created right now. And after that you need to go to the manifest file and just give a property to that activity as a theme. Here was our theme, which has been we have created here, a splash app theme. Then you just need to run the project. You will see the output of that. So wait for a while, it will be appearing soon. Yeah, if you see, it's having the logo in the upside, so we had make one mistake. So what we have to do is make that logo item as in gravity in center. So I'm going to give another property here, gravity as in center. Then I'm going to run again. This Android build is always lame as we have to wait for that. Yeah, you can see here we have that centered background splash screen, and but as the splash screen behavior is like it will be gone after 5 minutes, so you can do that by creating another activity and just give that some timer after before this it come, it will be like change it with a handler and give some delay timing, and then after intend it to another activity, whichever the main activity you have, and it will be a splash screen for you. And it is the right way to create any kind of a splash screen. So this is it. So for this video, that's all. I hope you like this video. If so, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.